But today I go hold some sleep, but I just say me I call her to tell her good night. You see me on sweet dreams.
Move your bumbo clot.
Have a good night there, bro. Sweet dreams, alright?
Okay then, alright, so later.
Alright.
Cool.
He noticed he tell you back?
No. Tell Livy good night. Don't tell me no bumbo clot good night and don't love me no. Go on your bed if you want to sleep, go on your bed. No, we don't want a sweet cheese and a good night from no man. Not even my son. Blood clot.
There in my bed, bro. I think about you and I say me call her and tell her good night and sweet dreams, alright?
Yeah.
My mind I'll run for you, I say me I call her and tell her good night, you see me? Get some.
Oh, fuck yourself and go with that Raz. Call her and tell her good night. That's a blood clot, man, licking your ass.
Sweet dreams,
You
sweet
need
dreams,
to
bro.
back a blood clot, Jamaica, you're there too long.
So me I'll call her and tell her good night and sweet dreams, you see me?
No man, nobody didn't fuck with them man. But I go soft food for me and call me no good night, sweet dreams and nothing like that, bro. Why the fuckery?
Okay guys, this is about one done and with the flat tumor. I live it there and I decide to say, yo, I see a viral trend that go around where men call them friend and just basically say, hello, how you doing? I just not think about you. I just a call to tell you good night. And you see how them react. But with my friend them guys, my friend them kind of busy and
Suppose you find out one of them is undercover.
me a pussy. So guys, me have a few friends of me I'll call. Me I go call Jay right now. Big up yourself, Jay. Me know you watch this. This is the baddest mechanic. So I call him, I ask him, I go and tell me. And me not think Jay lock in the number, yeah. Call him from me other number. Yo.
Yeah.
What that one?
Yeah,
Y'all sleep already?
Yeah?
Y'all do sleep already?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all my business.
Just in a call to tell her good night still.
No fuck.
So me can't call her and tell her good night, bro. I get some sleep and all, is it? Just a call her.
Can't get some sleep.
Yeah.
I'm saying, I want to get some sleep on. Come here, tell him good night. You should have just got a bit.
So me can't tell my friend good night, bro.
Of course, why not?
So what y'all say with the fucker?
Hmm?
Y'all say what me I do with the fucker? What y'all act like?
I'm gonna go like a left me yard and I must say, good night.
So me can't call her and tell her good night, bro. What make you have to take it so dog?
My boss. So what for doing in return now? Come in and run this trip. I'm for doing a good night too.
Me not know. Your father never call her and tell her good night, bro?
No, sir.
So what wrong with that, bro?
When you see me and me, I'm a lift from me, I lift inside and I say good night.
Alright, bro. Sorry for do that still, dog.
Okay?
Cause y'all take it away, bro. Me just tell my friend good night, bro. Tomorrow no promising to nobody, bro.
Okay. Miss me I thought about that. Is that, but you never call me and tell me good night then?
Really, dog?
Yeah, next thing you know, hear something to me now, I say, boy, I can't know. One time we call him one and tell him good night, tell him go and sleep. Pussy. You can't go sleep tonight.
You boss say nah, go sleep. Alright, boss. So that's not call for tell her good night, yeah?
My boss. Good night, sir.
Alright then, my friend. Look him up. Hey guys, Olivia cousin, Jermaine.
Yo,
Yo, what going?
there, you like me?
What you up to?
Get out of the club, what's up?
Just there, bro. Just in a call for tell you, you know. Good night and sweet dreams. Just a bit.
Yeah.
But just in a call for tell you good night and sweet
The fuck?
dreams.
The fuck is my tattoo? Yeah. What Olivia?
Bro, me and you chat, bro. Olivia in her room, bro.
Who the fuck Olivia? Fuck you think you tattoo, bro? Where Olivia died?
Yo, dog.
What about me the phone? Where Olivia? Yo,
Yo, dog. Olivia in her room.
what she saying?
Brother.
What laughing?
Me and you talk, my youth.
My you, yeah, Olivia, you want that? The fuck you calling me telling me that fuck, man? Somebody dead? Unless somebody dead, me want to hear them fuck.
Sweet dreams, my youth.
Yeah, okay. Tell Olivia I say I love her too. Bye.
Let me tell you, it's just a video. Jeremy, hang up. You know, I don't know, says a video. The boss, nah, answer. Big up yourself, Shane. But me have to catch you in a video. What time now? Today, what? Good. Yo, cuz, what going?
Then I chop.
No, me there, me just reaching, bro. And there.
Where you come from, man?
No, me go up on the road, go deal with a bag of things, bro.
So I'm gonna see you on social media account, Mango. Think of Jamaica there.
A long time that man from when it's Monday.
From Monday gone? Good on the Sunday, you know.
Oh yeah, go Jamaica.
Yeah,
Oh, your
Monday.
son graduation.
Yeah. I left Monday morning. It's Monday morning early, 5:30 me aboard and land 7 o'clock.
Okay.
Yeah.
There in my bed, bro. I think about you and me say me call and tell you good night and sweet dreams, alright?
Yeah, man. Good night, brother. No, from that, bro.
But there I go hold some sleep, but me just say me I call if you tell you good night. You see me and sweet dreams.
Move your bumbo clot.
How happened?
You know, but the youth, the thing I'm call about today.
Bro, me and you talk about something else, bro. Why you cuss bad word off of me?
No. Tell Livy good night. Don't tell me no bumbo clock good night and don't love me no. Go on your bed. If you want to sleep, go on your bed.
Yeah, do me so cousin.
Go on, you must see a drink blood clot. Where around there where you make me drink when you come down there? You must see a drink fever. You must see a fever to ras.
So me can't tell you good night and sweet dreams, bro?
No. No, we don't want a sweet cheese and a good night from no man. Not even my son. Blood clot.
Alright, boss.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, good night, yeah, man, and sweet dreams when you go to bed here.
Alright, sir. Anything you say? I don't know who you are tell that, but I love it. Just leave it there.
Babe, you see how my cousin them stay? Alright, Shane. Sorry, me call her, bro. Later, dad.
Yeah.
Later, bro. Yeah, man.
Yeah, alright.
We'll call Charles now. Charles, if you watch this, got him. Yo, what going?
Nothing. What's up?
You gonna sleep?
Yeah, I was tired.
Alright, bro. I'm just gonna call to tell you good night, yeah, man. And sweet dreams, you see me?
You know, step out then.
No. Have a good night, yeah, bro. Sweet dreams, alright?
Okay, then, alright, so later.
Alright.
Cool.
He noticed he tell you back.
You might go say to your wife, hey, Karen, watch your please be that thing weird.
He said tell you good night.
Yeah, bro.
How do you?
There, I know what you're up to.
No, something there I do.
Okay, everything good.
So far, you know.
Sound like you consume something, dog.
Because I want ice to me there. Munch fun.
Okay. And I'm in bed, me there and I think about you. I'm just call to tell us a good night and sweet dreams. You see me?
Yeah, man. I say, if I work, maybe I just get a break so I soon go over. Our time, for.
Alright, bro. Anyway, I'm gonna get some sleep. Just good night and sweet dreams, alright?
Yeah, man. Alright, listen to yourself.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Cool.
You want to people that distant?
No, but you noticed they didn't tell you good night.
Them not tell me.
They didn't tell you back good night.
Greg say, yeah, man, bless up
the
the
subject. You sound fast, Charles, change the subject.
I say, okay.
You going out tonight?
Me know Charles, I'll be like, hey, Karen, watch out him just have been acting weird. There I go and sleep. Who else we can call? One more person, guys. Hey guys, I'll call my friend Ian now. Ian, go to sleep. Bro, put your phone on do not disturb.
Yo.
Oh, go on, bro.
What, man? You can't call a friend earlier.
What make?
I don't know. I mean, 11:30 back a few hours.
Yeah, man, happy belated birthday, man.
Yeah, man, blessings, man. How do you?
There. And I'm in bed, me there, dog. I'm in my run pan you and so I'll call you and tell you good night and sweet dreams. You see me?
No, man, nobody didn't fuck with them, man. Wait, Mr. Sitting on TikTok in the dog, boy, good night and them things. Nobody didn't fuck with it.
Brother, me and you different here and what you talk about.
No, man, we ain't no different, nothing, man. No, because we didn't foolishness, man. We ain't no different, nothing, man. Oh, the good night and the sweet dreams, nothing, man. Why the fuck with it?
So that you call it, bro?
Eh?
We as man, we have to stick together, bro.
Stick to it? No, bro. No, let me tell you that thing. You see, we as man now, man like me and you is a very rare breed, you know. That's all white, but it limited in a sense where real man limited on the earth. You understand me I say?
Yeah.
Somebody go soft food for me and call me no good night, sweet dreams and nothing like that, bro. Why the fuckery?
What damn,
That's a good style, man.
I love you as a friend, dog.
No, I don't love the blood clot. Yo, you alright, man?
Dog, I'm a friend, dog. Just good night, bro. Just hold a good night and sweet dreams, bro.
I block your blood clot. I got my phone. Oh, look at it, bro.
Bro, there you go. Yeah, bro, you have a good birthday?
Yeah, man, go on, good man there.
Okay. All right, bless up yourself, dog. Good night, sweet dreams. This is my friend Rafael.
I know you remember to call me, bro.
Yeah, bad, bro. You see, man.
Blood clot licking in your head.
Man, Valentine, man.
I call me call from when the link you see if you're good. Or call it, but man, you man, some call the book.
I'm busy from all
touch a
day.
blood clot.
Busy from all day, my bro. That y'all tired doing my mind.
Alright.
Yeah, man, my mind I'll run upon you. So I'll call you and tell you good night. You see me? Get
Go
some.
fuck yourself and go with that Raz. Call one tell you good night.
What a blood clot, man, licking your ass in.
So Rafael, you know my friend, bro?
Me no give a ass, no call me and tell me no ass, good night. Before me call your man, make him lick out your ass.
Yeah, dog. I get some sleep. Sweet dreams.
You
Sweet
need
dreams,
to
bro.
back a blood clot, Jamaica, you're there too long.
Rafael.
Tell them thing on a ass joke with you.
Yo, good night, dog. Sweet dreams, bro. I will chat tomorrow.
You know, fuck off. Me call you one next year and stuff right now. Fucking bright.
Yeah, no. You say fuck off. Okay, 1 year from now.
My friend them, dog. Guys, comment down below. Why we can't call each other's man? Babes, why we can't call each other man and tell them good night? Eh? So, Greg feel. Well, no feel. Charles.
Greg ignored you.
And Charles.
Greg ignore. Both of them ignore what you say and just change the subject.
Alright, so we need one more now. I'll call my friend of me when he and Kirk.
I don't feel nobody fail. They just ignore you. They just change the subject.
We know Rafael, dog, you know. My friend of me and Kirk. But Kirk married to a... Yo. No, me there, bro. What you up to? Me not hear you good. What you say?
What me there?
You know, saying I'm in bed, me there, bro. I'm just done mash up some work and then I'm in bed. I think about you. I'm just call you and tell you good night. You see me?
Yo, bro, what you talking about? I don't even talk about.
Bro, true, me busy, bro, but now me a call you now, dog.
Everything good though. How you excited?
Yeah, man, everything good, bro. As me say I'm in bed, me there, I think about you. Just want to call you and tell you good night. You see me? You good, man.
You excited good still?
Yeah, man, everything good, man. We'll call you in the morning because I feel sleepy, but yo, when you go to your bed, those sweet dreams too, alright?
Yeah, man, alright then. You thanks, sir?
Alright, bro.
Alright, look at me.
Yeah.
He not wrong. I feel he not work around people. I hear somebody.
No, man. Kirk married to a white. Well, Kirk is with a white girl, so it's normal to Kirk. Pick up yourself, Kirk. You go sit up in there, yeah. Sweet dreams, bro. Okay, so, me I go call my friend David now. And this is the last person I'm gonna call.
What, bro? How do you live?
I'm there, do you up to?
So I'm there, change my data so I can put them down for bed, though.
Okay, miss. They're in a bed too, bro, but I might run by him. Just something I call and tell her good night, is it, man?
God bless yourself, no bad, bro. Man, no idea, man. Yeah, man. And then I place for the I did for link up, but you know, so by the time I come in, I'll catch a meal with the youth, them. Flag everything, flag out after that, as well.
I understand, man. There in my bed, bro. I think about you and I say I call and tell her good night and sweet dreams, alright?
Yeah, man. Good now, brother. I'm not from that, bro. I'm good, man. That's there. Want to start watch a movie, then you don't think some of this, so yo. I'll change them now and get them to them bed, put them in them bed. Put the Korean nice on YouTube so them can lay down, you see, man?
Alright, bro. See I work on.
So.
I will chat tomorrow, because I'm there tired. Just good night and sweet dreams, yeah, bro.
Bless up yourself, big bro, you see it?
Alright. What you think about that?
Nobody tell you good night and sweet dreams, man.
You all of them good and say, I want to go out. Guys, comment down below. My friend them different, guys. My friend them no. What may I say? Homophobic.
Or too aggressive.
I'm not too aggressive in things like that. Ian run me way. Ian, who else run me way? Rafael.
But Rafael probably mad to you. You don't call him back and then you call him. He was stripping us.
Kirk. Then my friend them not dark. You see me, when them forget that, then get dark. But they not tell me back, you know. You find out me if they not tell me.
None of them tell you good night. None of them.
Alright guys, like, share and comment on this video. It's your boy Wandan and
Maybe.
I'm out.
Forget what they doing, keep 'em